Okay, let's get started. Now, from the download file here, what you're going to do is you're going to go here, and what you want to do is create yourself a brand new folder. Just go here, and you'll name it something like GSender. You can name it whatever you like. Then you want to take this is the mailer itself. You want to take it and drag it into your folder. Open your folder up, go to here, go to extract all on the right click. With the right click, just click extract all, and then you've got a few things here which you're going to go over. You've got your Gmails. Now Gmail is where you're going to load your Gmail accounts at, and you do this line by line with your Gmail and your password, and you can load them as many as you need to put into there. Then you have your emails. These are the emails that you're going to load in line by line that you use to send your message to right there. Then you have your subject lines, and you can have as many subject lines as you want. Just keep adding them one line by line. You can have as many subject lines as you need, and you can have as many messages as you want as well. You just put them in text files, and you can you just label them message 1, message 2, message 3, all the way down. If you need 100 messages, you can do so. Okay, now we're going to go down to this here. I've also created this little thing for you. Now you're going to need a file transfer, but FileZilla, which is absolutely free, and it looks exactly like this here. Let's see, let me get it measured down for you some. And then when you get, you're going to need a hosting account. When you get your username and password that you created from your hosting account, you go to here and you would go to click on the FileZilla, and you're going to load it up, put your username and password. Let's see. Go inside of here, and now what you're going to do is you're going to look for, on this side, you're going to look for what's called the public HTML folder. Click in that, and now remember when you created this file and you've got all your emails, you've got all your everything sent in here, all you do is you take this thing and you drag it right on over to here. And then now that's completely loaded up, set up here, and what'll happen is now that we went over to download, we showed you put your Gmail account, your emails. So now basically all you need to do after you load all the files into the public HTML folder like I showed you over here, all you would do is need to now go to your website.com/ whatever folder you uploaded in, and we use GSender. Now as far as the domain name and things like that, that can all be set up for you, and you can pick your domain name, all that stuff at HostGator.com. Okay, so then you would just go to, like I said, you would go to this and you would type in your domain name / whatever you named the folder, which was GSender, and it's going to look just like this you see here. Alright, so now all you do, you have a few functions right here. Like I said, we don't mess with the proxies too much. There's a speed, how many seconds between each mail you want to send. You have option of 0 all the way to 10. I usually keep it about 1 to 2 seconds. How many mails you want to send before you switch accounts. That all depends. Gmail has a limit of, a couple of hundred if you're mailing regular mails. If you're mailing Craigslist mails, and you want to keep it in between 10, 15, no more than 20. So that's what you put here. Now a BCC function, I'm going to tell you what a BCC function is, which is really nice. Usually the way that it's set up, Gmail goes into, say it signs into a Gmail account and it sends one email, then it sends 2 email. Well, BCC, what it'll do is sign into a Gmail account, grab in between the numbers, the minimum numbers and the maximum numbers that it is. So if you say in between 10 and 20, so what it'll do in your emails that you chose, the people that you're sending out to, it will pick in between 10 and 20 of these that you tell it to here. So it might pick 16, might pick 17, and it'll grab them all at one time and send out to them one time, which makes the process of sending thousands of emails really, really quick. Reloop accounts, simply meaning when you, at the end of your account, how many accounts you have in there, if you're at the end of them, then it'll start over at the first one again. Write a log file, you want to use that as yes, because that's good for debugging, meaning that it'll tell you how many emails you sent and all that good stuff as well. So that's pretty much it right there, and then all you do is you click start and you're done. And then when you want to go and you want to load up and do a new project, you could go right back here again. You simply click in add more Gmails, or take out the old ones, add more, resave it, go put your new emails in there, come down here, put in your new subject lines if you need to change your subject lines, and if you need to change your messages, you go ahead and change your messages. Then you would go back here, do the same process again, reload it back up, take it from this side, reload it back into here, pull up your website just like this, configure your settings, and start mailing. And that's it. It's that simple.